Good morning, good afternoon, and good night, ladies and gents, and welcome back to another episode of Charmed by Charlie. Should I call it that? I think I should. I liked how that sounded. That had like a nice little cute ring to it. All right, so we're gonna call these episodes of Charmed by Charlie, and we are back with another one. So today, I will be doing a tutorial for the CandyCorn design. Okay, so this is gonna be the last video that is sideways. I have figured it out on how to get my videos not sideways. And so our next video will be in the right direction so you guys can enjoy it without having to strain your eyes. So this is like really just a simple design. I would tell you which acrylics I used, but these are like kind of gifts that someone gave me, and they gave me them in like small containers with no name on it. It was their personal brand. So okay, I can't share it with you guys, but as long as you can get these general colors of the CandyCorn, yellow, orange, and white, this will be very simple for you. So I'm just gonna let you guys enjoy this video. I'm working on a few things for our upcoming videos. I'm thinking about some ways to spice things up on our channel, so stay tuned. I love you guys so much. I hope you enjoy this videos. If you have any questions, concerns, or ideas, please comment them down below. I really appreciate all of you guys for following me on this journey so far. Again, I love you. Have a wonderful rest of your morning, afternoon, or night. I'm out of here. Bye.